Morning, boys. Today's the day. We took yesterday off. Today, I got up, I had my coffee, I watched a little TV. I got a little depressed from watching the news, so I turned it off and went to Harbor Freight. Now I feel better. I got another tool. I got a die grinder, Hercules die grinder. With that deal, you buy the charger, you buy a 5 amp hour battery, which was $120, and they give you a tool of your choice, and there's about 6 to 8 of them to pick from. So a couple days ago I got the grease gun, and I greased up both my tractors, one of which I'm warming up now to do this job, and it worked every bit as good. And I even kind of thought, I don't know, maybe it's all up here, but I thought it worked even kind of better. It seemed to pump the grease in with a little more force than the DeWalt. It might be my imagination though. But anyway, today's the day I want to get all this cleaned up here and be done with it, except for taking out the stumps, because I don't feel like breaking out that stump grinder today. Maybe next week, maybe next spring, we'll see. So I'll get the chain, hook it up to the tractor, lift these logs up, and I'll use the Echo TIMBERWOLF CS-590, the same as we use to drop these trees, to get them cut up into campfire wood, because we're not going to burn this in our wood stove. We will burn the popple tree though. Let's go!
real porn on the nightly news. They never let a good crisis go with you. So they turned loose the goons and turned up the volume. True blue, what has become of you? Is it true blue? Did you forget the golden rule? Truth dies and the dark is right. We live now in perpetual midnight, but our faith is still burning bright. At the end of the days, well, it'll be a nightlight. To the sound and enchanting tune, but just because they sing it doesn't make it true. Like a moth to the flame, feel it pulling you. So more is alive, it is where awaken you. True blue, what are you gonna do? Is it true blue? You forgot the golden rule. Oh,
I got the loader out. I'm gonna try to get this popple stump out of the ground with just the bucket on the loader. Yeah, buddy.
Yeah, burn it down. Burn it down. Yeah, just burn it down.
Except for grinding those stumps out, which I'll probably wait till spring unless I get bored and it's nice. I'm done. Yeah, I like it. I think it came out pretty nice. I have a lot more room in case I want to open an RV park, right? Yeah, park your RV right here. $1,000 a week. Anyway, guys, thanks for watching. I'm burned out on tree stuff for today. Talk to you later. These are low enough to get a stump grinder on them. I still have to work on the big one though.